Your operators sit for 8 hours a day, and the wrong chair? It's costing you more than you'd think. I'm talking fatigue, lost productivity, and worse, critical contamination from particles in ESD. So the solution isn't just a chair. It's a piece of precision equipment. Meet Bimos. This is pure German engineering, care is tailored exactly for your specific controlled environment. For clean rooms, you get guaranteed particle safety with a hygienic ISO-compatible design. For electronics, you get rock-solid ESD protection. No more costly component damage. But look, here in Singapore, a great product is only half the story. Local expertise is key. A standard supplier just sells you a chair. We partner in your compliance to specify the right one.
That's because we are Singapore's official Bimos specification partner.
Not every chair fits every application. So let me ask, are yours specified correctly? Don't let your next chair become a risk. Talk to us before you specify.